What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. It is Stock Tiger here, and today we are diving into the absolute nightmare every trader dreads, the worst trading week ever. Yep, we are talking about massive losses, emotional roller coasters, and lessons learned the very hard way. But hey, it's not just doom and gloom, so stick around because I'm going to be sharing exactly what went wrong, how to bounce back from it, and some crucial tips to help you and myself avoid making these same mistakes. The market is not forgiving at all and will always find a way to destroy you and me as a trader. So if and when the market sees a complete red during the intraday as an example, will our usual trading strategies actually work? Or would it completely fail? Or do we adjust our strategies based on what the market presents itself? This week though, it wasn't just one factor that led to a meltdown for me. It was a perfect storm of events, so let's break it down. First, we had an unexpected inflation data, higher than expected, and inflation is like a kryptonite for the market. Combine that with an overall better than expected earnings coming from many of the mid-cap companies, and let's not forget geopolitical tensions flaring up as well. It was the ultimate triple threat. And on top of all these events for me though, it was bigger than a perfect storm. After getting payouts denied that I believed to be a complete BS, and despite trying to convince myself to forget and move on, instead I slowly oversized, slowly overtraded, and slowly saw my funded accounts get blown. At the time, when as you can see on my chart, it was a complete chop with constant fail breakouts and fail breakdowns with absolutely no follow-throughs in any of the directions. This is of course was a brutal wake-up call for me, as much as it was an already difficult market situation and condition to trade in that many of the pro traders would have also gotten smoked as well. It was an even more challenging and difficult environment, even so with plenty of more frustrating emotional events that occurred for me, which of course led this week becoming the worst trading week ever since I have started trading with the prop firms. Now let's talk mistakes, because trust me, we all make mistakes. Some traders double down on risky positions thinking it cannot get any worse, right? Others panic and close their positions at the worst possible time, which could have been a winning trade. Classic emotional tradings also quickly blows your accounts. That leads you to situations like panic selling, doubling down on losing trades, ignoring stop losses, and of course, revenge trading. So what can we learn from the worst trading week ever? First up, never, and again, never underestimate the power of a solid trading plan, which I did not respect at all. These rules last week, making me lose a lot of funded accounts. Always use stop losses. Don't let emotions drive your trading decisions like I did last week, unfortunately. Don't chase losses, and this is partly got to do with the FOMO. Understand market conditions, both from technicals and the fundamentals. Guys, market will always be volatile, and losses are just part of the game. But managing risk is everything, guys. Set the stop losses, don't get emotional, manage your risk, and most importantly, never let fear dictate your trades. Okay guys, so I had a terrible week. So what do I do now? Do I pack it up and leave trading for good? Absolutely not. So here is what I'm going to do instead. What I'm going to do is I'm going to review my trades, understand what went wrong and why, take a little break. Sometimes you need to take a step back to reset mentally, adjust your strategy. So as market change, so should your approach as well should change. Start small. Don't try to make up all your losses in one shot, guys. Learn to downsize when you're not doing that great and upsize when you are solid with back-to-back wins for weeks and weeks. Alright traders, if you have survived this insane week, big kudos to you. You beat the market, but remember, every trader has rough weeks. Some for months and some for years. But it's how you recover that defines your success as a trader. So if you found this video very helpful, please drop a like button, hit the subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below what was the worst trading mistake you have ever made and what did you learn from it. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep trading.